Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Lesfm. So आज के इस वीडियो में I'm going to show you guys some easy hairstyles जिसमें आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगोगे and ज़्यादा time भी नहीं लगने वाला है. So without further ado, let's just jump into the tutorial. And if you're new here, just subscribe down to my channel below to stay connected with me and my weekly videos. So now let's get started.
For the first hairstyle, take a small section of hair from your crown part and then take it in the back side and start twisting it. Once you have twisted the hair section, then put a clip on it so that it stays in place. And now you repeat the same step 3 to 4 times with different hair sections. Now, as soon as you are done, the last step of this hairstyle is to make a pony. Well, the next hairstyle is a hippie hairstyle, and I call it hippie because this hairstyle gives you all the hippie look. So for this, first of all you have to take out the hair section and then you have to start making braids in it. And now repeat the same step on the other side. Now, as soon as you are done, take a small section of hair from the side part and bring it towards the crown section and just clip on it in the same manner as I am doing. Now again take a small section of hair from your side part and just clip it on the back side. Once you are done clipping the hair, take the braids and clip it on the back side of your head. For the third hairstyle, do a middle partition and then make a pony in the same manner as I am doing. As soon as you're done with the pony, just twist it towards inside. Now hold the remaining part of your pony and you can either twist it or make a braid out of it. As you can see right now, I'm just twisting it. Now in the final step, you just have to rotate it and put a clip on it so that it stays in place.
Guys, here this video comes to an end. I hope कि आप लोगों ने ये वीडियो एंजॉय किया होगा, वीडियो पसंद आई एंड हेल्पफुल लगी. So please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family and do subscribe down to my channel below because I come with new videos each and every week for you guys only. अगर आप लोग like and subscribe करते so I feel good. So do subscribe down to my channel and I will be back with a new video super soon. So just stay connected and take care of yourself. Bye.